How to flip or rotate a video in the InShot app. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily flip or rotate any video on the InShot app. But before we get started, I'd like you to remind you to go down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So right here on the InShot app, I have a video imported. So if you want to go ahead and flip it, then this is really easy on this app. So just follow these simple steps. So obviously, first thing you need to do is import the video, and you can do that by going back. So I'm just going to discard this one. So let me show you. Just go to video, select the video that you want to import, tap on done, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to flip it sideways, then you're just going to go ahead and select the video here. And then you are just going to pinch your fingers like this and then slightly rotate it. So if you want to rotate it 90 degrees to the left and make it vertical, you can do that like this. And now you can change the aspect ratio so that it fits on the screen. So you can just go ahead and click on canvas, and now just select the 9:16 canvas and just zoom in so that the video fits. Now the video has been flipped sideways, so you can export it this way as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.